What's up guys, my name is Keegan. I'm here with Sierra at Noteboom RVs in Harrisburg, South Dakota. And today we're going to be talking about our 391 FLRB. So this is a larger floor plan, 41 feet 8 inches. The GVWR is usually around 15.5, but it does get you a ton of options. So we have dual LPs on slide out trays for convenience and ease. And then we also have the large drop frame pass-through storage. So you get a lot more storage for whatever you need down in there. Obviously outlets, TV hookups, and that stuff. Slam latch insulated baggage doors, so that way you don't have to worry going down the road. They're gonna stay latched, they're gonna stay nice and insulated. All your stuff will stay dry and warm. Another really great feature on our units is this motorized step. This one has a strut, so it is super lightweight. It's super easy to use. You know, if you've got bad shoulders or younger kids running around, it's a little bit more safer, a little bit easier on your body. And then if we come back here a little bit, this is where this floor plan really starts to shine. So it comes complete with an outside kitchen, weatherproof material on your cabinets, soft close hinges. That will be inside as well. You'll get your little mini reefer with the ice maker. But this floor plan has a raised rear deck in the back, so it allows us to do a massive, massive storage area under here. So the goal with this was to be able to fit things like kayaks, pop-up tents, bikes, grills, whatever you could possibly take with your family on a long trip, or if you're going to be like extended staying or full-timing it, this is perfect for you guys. And then we also added this convenient pull-out motorized tray, so that way you can fit a little bit more in, and then you can get it all out pretty easily by just sliding everything. So welcome back. We are now inside of the 391 FLRB Sierra. So one of the great things about this floor plan is whenever you're at a cool site, you can pull the shade up and you've got a functioning tinted windshield. And then whenever you want to entertain, you put this 50-inch TV right back up. So that's an awesome feature. It gives you a little bit more countertop space if you guys want to put something up here in the meantime. You also got a sound bar with DVD, a 51 BTU or 5100 BTU fireplace, so it'll keep you nice and warm. And then this is all Thomas Payne luxury furniture, so it's a little bit higher quality. And then these two will both pull out into opposing beds and give you like a foot to walk through. So you can actually sleep 4 people up here, which is a really nice feature. You know, if you have kids staying or friends staying, it's just nice to have an extra spot for people to furnish. And then coming down here, we have a residential LG refrigerator. It's a French door. It's 22.7 cubic feet, so you can fit a ton of stuff in here. We also have a freestanding range, which you can fit a whole turkey in. So if you guys want to do a little Thanksgiving cooking, this thing is perfect for you. And then of course we've got our little half bath for guests and people using the kitchen. But then of course, walking back into the master suite back here, this raised flooring is how we get so much storage underneath in the back. But you'll have a king bed, and you'll have a big walk-in shower with a seat, and you'll also have this closet with washer and dryer prep in it. So if you guys, once again, if you're doing long stays or if you're full-timing, we recommend doing like a stackable washer dryer combo. Put it in this closet and you'll never have to take your sack of quarters to the laundry store ever again. Hey guys, I'm Keegan with Sierra. We're hanging out today at Noteboom RV in Harrisburg, South Dakota. Come on in and check us out to see a full line of Sierra fifth wheels, travel trailers, and destinations, and a lot of other RVs.